If life is difficult for you right now and you're low on cash, what if I make it a little bit easier by just the means of a simple video, or maybe just liking or commenting? How about that? All you need is your phone, and every day you'll earn money as easy as cake, I promise. Sometimes it'll amaze you how making money online has developed all throughout the years. Yes, it has become easier, but you'll still have to work your way through it in order for you to make a significant amount of money. That's why it's important for you to stick with me on this video so that I'll be able to help you earn money. Significant money that can impact your personal life. I promise if you persevere to make money using this method, financial freedom will be within reach. You'll be able to provide for yourself, your family, or even everyone who needs your financial support. In today's method, this is a platform rarely being talked about by the online money-making experts. This is an easy-to-use website that is free for all and can be accessed around any part of the globe. So let's go! Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Here's a website that has yet to hit mainstream. As you can see here, there are various ways you can make money online with this platform. This method is browsing websites and watching videos and ads. This one is simply leaving likes and sharing videos to get paid for engaging in social media activity. For example, you can just watch this video for a couple of seconds to get paid. On top of that, there are bonus amounts if you like the video or leave a comment or even subscribe to the channel. For this method, you can fill out simple surveys which are really easy to accomplish and are suited for beginners. I'll show you a couple of examples in just a moment. Another method that is actually a given is signing up for a free account to obtain money. Stay with me because I'll be revealing the platform in just a bit, and I'll also be giving away bonus tips in order for us to maximize our earning potential on this website. But again, to reiterate, you can make money from this platform by using your preferred device. You can do it on your personal computer or your smartphone. You just have to choose one or maybe use both to earn more money. So let's get started with step number 1. You have to select a method of earning. You can select from the presented methods that I showed you earlier. Step number 2, you can start working on the tasks that were given to you and start making money instantly, and they're going to send your earnings to your account every time you reach the required amount. Then step number 3, obtaining money in order to cash out. So to register and make money, click on this button which is found on top of the website. Upon clicking it, it will bring you to this page where you will input your email address and password on these boxes as proof. Congratulations, you now have an account. By the way, you can also link your personal accounts here, like your Google or Microsoft accounts. The next step is to verify your email address. You'll receive an email from the website, which will give you the link to verify your account. So make sure to check your email. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Next up, go back to the dashboard and click on this button right here. It will then take you to a page where you will choose what kind of method you want to make money with. Now, this is what happens when you click on each method. Let's start with this one, browsing videos and ads. Click on this button to go to this page where you can start browsing videos and ads to start making money. On this page, you will see all the videos that you can watch in order to make money. Now try clicking on this button right here. A new window is going to pop up. Now, all you have to do is browse this page until the timer expires. You can just go around the page, scroll up and down, move around the page, and basically just do anything that will prove that you're not a bot and actually a person trying to make money off of this method. Just remember to keep on scrolling and browsing. Don't stay on the same page, and this will let their system know that you're not a robot. Once the timer is done, money is going to be credited into your account. Like I said, there are so many ways to make money here by writing comments or reviews, filling out surveys and creating accounts, and subscribing to newsletters. You can just click Earn right here and you will be redirected to surveys shown from these platforms. You can earn up to these amounts once you finish. As for the website, it's called zareklami.com, or if you're using your mobile phone, you can download the app in the Play Store. By the way, you can use the referral system to invite friends to this website and earn a percentage of the commission. That's another income stream if you're able to pull it off. You can just find the referral program of Zareklami here and copy your referral link, which you will provide to your prospective referrals. Now, since you're still here, I'm going to show you another website for bonus earning. With that, go over to coinbase.com. Once you're at the home page, click on this button and it'll go to this page where you can earn crypto while learning about how it works. This website is full of cryptocurrency tutorials, and if you watch these video tutorials, you are going to earn money. As an example, let's click on the start course on this tutorial, so I can show you how it looks. As you can see here, upon clicking Start Course, there are options of videos that you can watch and earn at the same time, which is about the same in different courses. This website is tailor-fitted and it's perfect for beginners who just want to earn extra income, so make sure to check it out. You can even refer people. Overall, the platforms I've shown are simple and legit ways to earn extra money online. As a beginner, you can just choose whatever method that you want in order to make money. You can just watch the videos, play games, or even accomplish basic surveys. And that's it! Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.